Welcome you all with my video 5 for the database management. Here you can see the question set 5. The Board of Directors of New Vision Academy has decided to computerize the information of all the teachers in the educational institution. The software is being developed by Tharaka Software Solution. Assume that you are working as a senior software engineer in this company and you and your team are responsible for creating the database of this software. Create the database according to the instructions given to you as follows. So I have to create the database first as named New Vision Academy to store teachers' data, and also then I have to create a table called teacher, and these are the data for creating the teacher table, and you can see the column names that I should enter and the data types of those columns and the character length that I should given to those each and every column. So and then in the next question it's given that in the third question these are the data that I have to enter to the teacher table, and you can see there are 10 records here, and I can't use the graphical method to enter the data, but I have to use the query statements here to enter all these data to the teacher table. So then I'm going to show you how I create the database and creating the table using this data and inserting this data into the teacher table using the query statements. Here I am going to use the Heidi browser for doing this.
Here I am opening Heidi browser and I am entering the password here, and then I have to open it. You can see the workspace, and I am going to create the schema here by right clicking and going to create new database, and I have to give the database name to here as New Vision Academy, and I am clicking OK, and here you can see the schema has been created, and I am clicking it and then going to create new table, and I am going to create the teacher table here according to the data given in the question 5. And you can see the teacher table is created, and these are the columns that are created as teacher reg number, then first name, then last name, and then gender, and also contact number and email. Then I'm going to add the data into this table by using queries, and this is a query that I have entered before and I'm going to delete it. Then I am writing the query to insert the first data for the table as it is mentioned in the question 5. So then I am writing it as insert into New Vision Academy. New Vision Academy is the table name. I have to enter the table name here. New Vision Academy is the database name, and then the table name as teacher, and here I am putting 2 brackets and then values keyword, then again 2 brackets, and between the first 2 brackets I have to put the column names respectively, and I am putting the column names as teacher underscore reg underscore number and so on. So then I am going to put here in the last bracket the values that has been given as the first row of the teacher table in the question 5, and I'm entering the details of the first teacher here. And it's all done. I'm executing the query by clicking this button, and it's executed, and I'm going to view data by refreshing this, and you can see the data has been entered to this table. And let's enter the other table data also. Here executing the 10th query, and you can see all the data has been entered to this teacher table. So then this is how I have answered for the question 5. Then thank you for watching this video. Let's meet with the next video soon.